Hi, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I am the owner of the trustisyou.com and a brand new podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. The reason I want to do this recording is because I want people to know how they can save federal taxes legally. I just had somebody on TikTok said, well, was that ethical? My entire philosophy is everyone should know this information so it's an even playing field. If you want to save taxes, be my guest. If you don't want to save taxes, that's your decision. The Spendthrift Trust is legal, it's patented, and it's in the IRS Tax Code 643B, like Bravo. 643B, like Bravo. So talk to your CPAs. Most CPAs are only working in the 300 to 400 levels. I don't wish them any ill will. I'm dyslexic and I get my numbers transposed, so good to them, but tell them they can look this up, 643B, like Bravo. Now, the Spendthrift Trust is not your mom and dad's trust. 97% of the trusts out there, exactly what Susie Orman talks about on PBS and what my mom and dad have, are only designed to go to court. It's not to go to court when someone dies. In other words, they're designed not to go through probate. Great, that's okay. That's about $1,000 that you can do that. This is a Spendthrift Trust. This is what the Rockefellers and US presidents used to save in three ways. Number one, save on federal taxes. Who doesn't want to save on federal taxes? Sorry, I swallowed wrong. With this trust, you're going to save federal taxes. You pay for it once, year after year after year after year. So this is why it's a very good secret. Number two, it's going to keep your information 100% private. But nobody will know what you're doing, how you're doing it, or what's happening. To be honest, my car is owned by the trust, and I did not file North Carolina state taxes because officially I don't work here. Number three, it's going to keep you from paying any judgments if you get sued. Now, quite frankly, I have at least 5 clients who have contacted me who have been sued. Here they get the information from the judge, from the attorney. They just copy the first page of the trust, send it back to that attorney, and they go away. That has saved those 5 clients, they tell me on their own, thousands and thousands of dollars. So this trust is not your mom and dad's trust. This trust is going to save you federal taxes, keep your information private, and keep you from paying any judgments if you get sued. If this is unethical or you think it's unethical, you don't need to have it. So with this trust, it is divided in two. So the Spendthrift Trust is overall, and it's divided in two. The business trust is for 1099 income earners. I don't care if you're a real estate agent, if you are a car salesman, if you're doing affiliate marketing, if you're a business broker, if I sell online education, it gets paid in 1099 income. When you have the business trust, you are going to save up to 70% year after year after year after year. That could be a lot of money for a lot of people. That's the business trust. Now, the beneficial trust, this is for investors. I don't care if you're a passive investor, if you're a real estate investor, if you do crypto investing or crypto mining, if you do Forex investing, if you're in the stock market, if you're a day trader, a futures trader. I even have binary traders. I'm learning a whole bunch of new things now. With the Spendthrift Trust, you're going to save the following 5 taxes. Capital gains, short term, a year or less. Long term, 15% or 20%. You're going to save interest income. This is if you're a passive investor. If you're a Forex investor, doing the BRRRR strategy. I personally do notes where I'm the mortgage on the house. Dividend income, you're in the stock market, you're doing options trading, maybe you're doing futures trading or binary trading. You're going to save dividend income year after year. And then rental income. Maybe you have short-term rentals. Maybe you have long-term rentals. Maybe you rent to nurses, traveling nurses, or you have $120 in Chicago, like one of my clients. And finally, royalties. I don't care if you're a songwriter, an author, an artist, or if you're in the NFT world. NFTs are royalties. So NFT artwork, NFT crypto, or NFT real estate. You're going to save federal taxes year after year after year after year if you purchase a Spendthrift Trust. I go live every Monday night for a Q&A, or if you go out to the trustisyou.com and schedule an appointment with me, we can have a one-on-one Zoom. I want you to start saving as much money as you can, just like I did, because I found out about this because of Garrett Gunderson's book, What the Rockefellers Do. He had to change the title. It's now called What Billionaires Do. But I had read that book and I did the research to find this trust so I could save capital gains on a property I bought July of 2020 and went to auction August of 2021. So I had 13 months to figure this out. It's nothing illegal. I'm okay. My ethics are fine. If the rich can do this, why can't you and I do this? That's my question for you. So again, my name is Sally Gimmon. The website is thetrustisyou.com. And my new podcast is Stop Paying Capital Gains Now with an exclamation mark. Please like it and listen to it. Take care. Have a beautiful day.